Yeah. At St. Louis. This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device.
Especially your receivers are automatically activated to warn you of extreme weather hazards in western Missouri and eastern Kansas by the National Weather Service
every Wednesday around 11 a.m. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable,
will occur even when you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for specific watches and warnings in the St. Joseph and Cameron listening areas. This test is for the following counties. In Missouri, Andrew, Buchanan, Clinton, DeKalb, Howard, Nottoway,
Lafayette, Platte, and Ray. In Kansas, Douglas, Johnson, Leavenworth, Miami, Lynn, and Wyandotte. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning device.